How to get 20% off Doordash coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Doordash coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, couponfollow.com, as this is a legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Doordash. Once you're in this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, $25 off, 40% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you want to get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Doordash. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Doordash. So this way you can easily get up to 20% off Doordash coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.